Today on the menu are two amazing snack recipes, and here's the first. Over here I have taken a cup of tapioca pearls or sabudana or sagu soaked in water overnight and the water drained off. To make Sabudana Vada, we will start off by roasting half a cup of peanuts till they are brown and crispy. Then using a blender, we'll coarsely crush the peanuts. Peel off and nicely mash the two boiled potatoes. Add the ginger garlic paste and all the powdered spices. Also add in a teaspoon of salt and the coriander leaves. Add in the corn flour and the sabudana. Finally add in the onion, the green chili and the crushed peanuts and give it a good mix. Shape up into easy round cutlets and fry them off. On a medium to low heat, fry off each side for approximately 3 minutes. And it's time to enjoy the vadas now. Next up are American hash browns. With just a few ingredients, we are going to create magic. Start off by washing 2 big grated potatoes in cold water 2 times. Now completely squeeze out the starchy water. It is important to squeeze out the starch as much as possible because this will ensure your hash browns are crispy and not soggy. To these potatoes, add 1 teaspoon each of salt, chili powder and garlic powder. Along with 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it a good mix, shape them and fry immediately. Another important thing to note over here is when all the ingredients are mixed together, this mixture should be fried immediately because if not, then the salt content is going to make this mixture watery and the hash browns soggy and not crispy. On a medium to low flame, fry each side for approximately 3 minutes. Americans enjoy it as a part of their breakfast. I can enjoy them anytime. Hope you like these quick and easy snack recipes. Do like and share with friends and family. Subscribe to my channel Tasty Treats right here for more such delightful treats.